So simula ngayon, dito na kayo matutulog at dito na kayo kakain sa training school. Wala na kayong passes, wala na kayong matatawagan sa mga panahong kayo ay nalulungkot, nahihirapan o nag-aalala.
I have the honor to present to you COCBC Class 02-2024 Davao Prison and Penal Farm, composed of 194 trainees, 39 females and 105 males. Recommend that the reception rights be open effective this week.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the officer in charge of Davao Prison and Penal Farm, I hereby declare that the reception rights of corrections officers custodial basic course class 02-2024 open effective this day.
The reception rights for the Corrections Officers Custodial Basic Course mark the beginning of a vital and transformative journey. One that would challenge your dedication, discipline, and commitment to the core values of service, integrity, and justice.
Today we mark another history as we have successfully conducted the reception rights of Corrections Officer Custodial Basic Course Class 02-2024-Isa.
6 hours! Move! Good, Mom!
I want you to observe the lectures so that you will be fully armed when you embark as corrections officers. I also want you to take care of each other, help each other, and be kind with each other. Huwag kayong mag-iiwanan. Tulungan ninyo ang isa't isa, lalo na ang mga napanghihinaan ng loob. 194 kayong nag-uumpisa, maipapangako ba ninyo na 194 kayong magtatapos?